Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is a continuation video of module 2. So please refer my previous video to understand the Django templates. And today we are discussing how to define context variables in views and lookup. So here in our Django, we define context variables by including them in the dictionary that we pass to the render function. Okay, so here the key to traversing complex data structures in Django templates is the dot character. So we use a dot to access dictionary keys, attributes, indices, or methods of an object. Okay, with the help of dot operator only, we try to access the key values, attribute values, or any methods of an object in the Python. So from Django.template, import the packages template and context, and person is equal to, we are creating a dictionary by name person. So the key attribute values what we are going to give is the name and its value is Sally, age is 43. So here age colon 43, like this you can add as many data items you want here. So here it is we are creating a dictionary, and context C equal to context, this object what we are creating, it is person, and for this person key is person, and the value for that is also person we have taken here for this dictionary. And template here to display the string, like to display the string we use the two square flower brackets here. Okay, we want to display the string person dot name. So here person dot name is Sally here. Sally is person dot age means here 43 years old. To display this string as it is, we put it into two flower brackets like this. Okay, then print t dot render of C, this context. We want to display this dictionary here. So here it will display the output as here whatever we are getting, person dot name and person dot age, it will take from here. Okay guys, similarly with the help of dot here, with the help of dot only, person is the dictionary name here. Okay, so person dot here, what is the attribute name we have taken here? So name of the attribute variable, here the variable name what we have taken is name only, and here person dot you are accessing this attribute age, so that's why we have written here dot. So with the help of dot operator you can access the keys and attributes. Okay, so that is the meaning of this sample program what we have taken, how we can access the context variables in views with the help of dot operator. And similarly dots also allow access of object attributes. For example, a Python's date time dot date object, this in date time package we have date method. This date method has object, this date object has year, method, month and day attributes, and you can use a dot to access those attributes in Django also. So in Django, how to access these attributes which is present in this method date inside the package date time. So you write the code like this: from Django.template, import template comma context, from date time import date time, and d is equal to datetime dot now method, and c equal to context of date d, and t equal to template. So in the template how the string should be displayed we are specifying here. So the month is date dot month here, date dot month, and the year is date dot here. Print t dot render of C, this date. So like this we try to display the attributes of a method, how we are going to access the attributes of a method date with the help of the data operator to access its attributes. Now similarly, this is an example to use a class here. With the help of class, how we are going to access the class objects here. So here we are creating a class by name person. Okay, so we are creating a class by name person, and then template equal to C equal to context person. Person has two values, John and Smith, two values we have initialized, and t equal to template hello person dot first underscore name, person dot last underscore name, and t dot render of C. So here in class we have defined the we have used the init method. So in Python, we use this init method to initialize the objects of the class. So this is a syntax. Always it starts with the object name self first to access the members of this class. So self comma first name and last name are the attributes what we are going to use. So we write the syntax like this always: self dot whatever the attribute name, self dot first name comma self dot last name is equal to first name comma last name. We have given here like this. Okay guys, so this is the way how we are going to use the dot to access the members of the class. That is how to access the attributes of the class. So method can also be used in Django templates using the same dot syntax. Methods can also be used in Django. So this is an example, that is the context. In context, we have defined variable value as hello and template variable equal to variable dot upper and is digit. All these are string methods. So here this is how we are going to access the string methods with the help of the Django template, okay, by using the dot method. So this is also one of the example for that. See, you need not explain all the methods of using the dot. So read the question. You can give 1 or 2 examples. You need not elaborately explain like this everything. Okay. You can write any one example how using dot we can access the members of a class or members of a dictionary, or how to access the keys or values or instances. Okay. So note that we don't include parentheses in the method call. For example, if you see here, variable dot upper and variable dot is digit. Is digit we use in Python to check whether the given string has a digit or not, or whether the string has uppercase or not. Like this, we write a function. We have not used parentheses here, like upper of. We have not put like this parenthesis, even though it is a method. So we don't include parentheses in the method calls. Also, it is not possible to pass arguments to the methods. We can only call methods that have no required arguments. See, we are not passing any arguments here. Okay, we cannot pass the arguments since we don't have the parentheses at all. It's not supported here in the Django. So dots are also used to access list indices. So you can access the list. Here list consists of set of items. So C equal to context, items equal to C. In list, items are returned within the brackets like this, square brackets. So here the list has apples, bananas and carrots. Apples is at index 0 and bananas is at 1, and here it is at 2. So T template equal to item 2 is items dot 2. So here items dot 2. The name of this list is what were here. It is items here. So items is the key and values are apples, bananas and carrots. They are put inside this dictionary now. Items dot 2 means, so here this is at index 0 and this is at index 1. List always starts from index 0. So 0, 1 and 2. So T dot render of C means here the items value, it will display it as carrots. So item 2 is what here we get the result as item 2 is carrots. That is the output here. So this is an example for method called behavior. So if during the method lookup, a method raises an exception and exception will be propagated. So how the exception will be propagated here? You can see here how to raise an exception. This is similar to the exceptions what you have studied in Python. Okay guys, hope you have understood. Just have a look at it and see you all in the next video. Thank you all.